Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Well, Ethereum is back there where we want to have it, which is lower. Yeah, as you know, I've been talking about lower prices here recently, and my expectation is that the structure that we have here, whatever structure it is, and we get to that in a minute, will result in a price drop most likely. Yeah, and so far what we have here on a higher level picture is that Ethereum, let me zoom out. Ethereum came down from an all-time high. Obviously, it has come down as expected into this current price range. This is currently the price range that we have been talking about for the last 6 months, pretty much since November, December. Yeah, we've been talking about prices around the $2,000 mark, and we have finally reached it. Now, as per the Elliott Wave account, we do expect still here medium-term lower prices. It doesn't have to, and I have to say that as well, it doesn't have to make a lower low, but because it did reach those target areas that I talked about, yeah, and as per the Elliott Wave method, the low could be in theoretically. But if I take a look at the short-term and medium-term wave count for Ethereum, it suggests that the low is not yet in, and we have not yet seen enough bullish momentum or bullish evidence that would suggest that the low is in. Yeah, therefore we're talking here about a wave 4 in which we currently are, which would suggest the next wave down would be a wave 5. In this wave 5, the low will probably then be in, but that could be below $1,700. Yeah, roughly in the range around $1,500. That is where I would see it. It could even go all the way down to the 200-week moving average around $1,200. But let's take a look at the short-term wave count, because at the moment I pay very, very close attention to the lower level wave counts. Throughout the last 6 months, I haven't done it to that degree, for the reason that for me the overall trend was pretty clear, which was down. Now we are here in a potential turnaround space across the crypto market. All altcoins and Bitcoin have now reached my overall target areas for this correction. Some dropped even lower, yeah. But that means they have done what they need to do in this correction, and they could now theoretically start to turn around and start to move up. And that is now where we need to pay very close attention to the lower level wave count, yeah. Because whenever we see, or as soon as we see a first impulsive wave up, and sorry if this is if I repeat myself through various videos, but this is an important message. As soon as we see an impulsive move up, and which would mean a 5-wave move up and a 3-wave move down in an ABC correction, and we make a higher low and we see a first bullish indication afterwards, that is then a good indication that the low is in, and you won't get a better indication, yeah. And it is not 100% guarantee, but it is as good as you can get it with TA. Yeah, and therefore I need to pay very close attention to the lower level wave count. At the moment, I don't see this yet. Now, with this price here, with this peak moving higher than here, the $2,060 level, unfortunately, it invalidated this wave count that I had here on the chart, yeah, which doesn't change a lot. Yeah, it doesn't change anything to a bullish wave count or anything. It just changes the way in which I count this whole structure. And I did explain that before. Should we move above that level, I have to move around things a little bit, which doesn't make a great difference. It just, we want to make it formally correct here as per the Elliott Wave method. And we recognize this as a corrective wave, which is still the case, and it hasn't really changed anything, but I still want to do it here correctly. But what in the end, it's a triangle similar to what I have on the Bitcoin chart, yeah. So overall, what we have here is an A, B, C. So you have a W, X, Y here, yeah, and this is forming part of that. Oh, 1 second. No, I'm correct here. Let me just check that. Just thought I made a mistake here, but I think I better do this like this. So overall, we have here in the, oh no, I don't want to make it too detailed. So from here, similar to Bitcoin, yeah, we have a wave A, which is all part of that sort of triangle here. Then we have a wave B down here, Elliott Wave triangle, and I'm going to, at some point, I'm going to discuss that in a little bit more detail, what that actually means, an Elliott Wave triangle. C, D, Yeah, and that means a wave E is still coming. So on the Bitcoin chart, we have already done the wave E. So this is a triangle, yeah, an Elliott wave triangle. Ethereum seems to be lagging behind a little bit. So we have here on this triangle chart an AC line and a BD line. So this is a triangle pattern. And this wave count suggests, and basically within this, you have a lot of ABCs. Yeah, it's a 3-3-3 structure here where you have within all of these waves, wave A, wave B, wave C, wave D, you have 3 waves. This would suggest the wave E is still coming. Now, the wave E, yeah, should not really move higher than 2000 and, well, at peak 2085 US dollars. So let's make it very, very accurate. Very accurate. It should not move higher than 2086 US dollars. So this is really the invalidation point for this triangle here. Yeah, this is the wave E, should not get above that. Now, the current wave count suggests that the wave D is underway here. And this would really be confirmed further below this swing low here, $1,990. Now, we did reach below it. I think we can be very certain that the wave D is underway. Maybe it's already finished, which would suggest we are now in the next move going to see a little bit of a recovery here in a wave E. And as long as the wave E stays below $2,085, it would suggest it really is a wave E. So how would that play out? It would play out in a way that maybe we go up higher again, retest here resistance, and then move down. Because you normally break out of a triangle to the downside, or no, to the opposite side of the wave E. So yeah, so if this is really currently here only a wave D in this triangle, it should not really move below the swing low here of the wave B. Yeah, so it should stay above that level. So in a wave D, we could even move a little bit lower. We could move all the way down to that wave B low here at around 1900, 1902, 1900. Let's check. 9 low. Yeah, it shouldn't drop below 1901 US dollars. Let me take maybe that line out here. So this is where the wave D can operate in. Yeah, the wave D can drop a little bit more, but it shouldn't drop below $1,901. Then it would be invalidated. Then it would be a different pattern. But then we would also suggest that the downtrend starts straight away. Then it wouldn't be a triangle. At the moment, I would expect a little bit of a move up in a wave E and then a move down. So basically, primary expectation in this wave count would be a little bit of a move up and a move down. Does it go down straight away below $1,901? Fair enough. Then we have the downtrend straight away. But this is everything. It's just not bullish. Yeah. So this is currently how I see this. And so far, I've been talking in the last few videos about beginning of a downtrend. The way I had it originally in a already beginning impulsive move down, didn't materialize, basically because we had here an extended wave 4 in a triangle pattern, which I warned about various times that this could just become an extended wave 4. On this channel, we don't really like wave 4s. Wave 4s are designed to really bore you, to make you less interested in the crypto market or in whatever's happening in the charts. A wave 4 can really be very long and very boring. In the end, should we really move above the wave A high here? Yeah, should we move above $2,058, or actually it's already enough to move above 2086 here, then it would be a larger WXY pattern where we could move even higher. But again, it would still just be a corrective wave. It would not be bullish. It would just be a 3-wave move. I think Loopring has done something like that, where it actually moved all the way up. And I would suggest that in that move then, we could move all the way up to $2,450 all the way up here. But at the moment, I don't see it. It is possible. And then we would have a WXY pattern instead of a triangle. But very important message, it would only be corrective. and I would still expect another move down. So this is how I see it at the moment. Yeah, there is no bullish evidence yet in the chart that would suggest the overall low is in. It is technically possible, but we don't have the bullish evidence yet. And as I said, as soon as I see a first impulsive wave to the upside and a corrective move down, I will make you aware. At the moment, all of this is just a huge correction, which would suggest the next 5-wave move will go down. And yeah, just want to update you because a few things happened here in the chart. So hopefully you like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.